We're going to solve elapsed time problems today. So we have our beginning time, which is 8:37, and our ending time, which is 3:11, morning and afternoon. And we need to find the time that has elapsed between. So let's start off with 8:37. And I always count by hours first. When I draw my hours, I make circles to show an actual hour around the clock. And I'm just going to change my hour number from an 8 to a 9. 8:37 plus an hour is 9:37. Add another hour, and I've got 10:37. Add another hour, and I have 11:37. Plus another hour is 12:37, but now it's not AM anymore. Now it's PM. Now we're in the afternoon. We'll keep going. Add another hour. It's 1:37. Add another hour is 2:37. And here's where I'm going to stop, because if I add one more hour, it will give me 3:37, and that's past the ending time. I don't want to go past my ending time. So instead, I'm going to start counting by minutes. And when I count by minutes, I usually like to count by fives. I count by fives because that's the interval that we see on the clock most often. It's hard to count by fives using 37 from 37, so I'm just going to add some minutes until I get to the next multiple of 5. And the next multiple of 5 after 37 is 40. So I'm looking for 240 here. That's 3 minutes. 237 plus 3 minutes equals 240. Now that I'm at 240, I can really count by fives. 245, 250, 255, 260, or as we say, 3 o'clock. Counting by fives brought us to 3 o'clock, and now we just need to get to 3:11, and we know that that's 11 minutes. We've reached our ending time. The only other missing piece here is these intervals here. I counted by fives, and there was 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So I counted 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes there. So adding all my minutes together will be pretty simple. I've got 20 minutes here. I've got 11 minutes here. And I have 3 minutes here. When I add those up, I'm going to get 34 minutes. And my hours, all I do is count my circles. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. And that's how you solve the problem. Start by counting with hours, add your minutes in intervals. And the answer is 6 hours and 34 minutes has elapsed.